Alright, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get secret character number 11. Once you load into the game, the first thing you're going to want to do is become anyone with access to cameras. And I'll show you here what you're supposed to do when you're fully loaded into the game. What you're supposed to do when you're fully loaded into the game is come over to this poster over here, right outside the office, and click the camera button. And you see the little pickup thing, you press E until it's done, and then it's gonna teleport you to a game. The game's called It's Me. It's a fun little mini game, just collecting tools and repairing an animatronic. It's not actually like repair, it's more like find tools, click E. That's basically it. Basically what you want to do in this mini game is hug the wall. Last time I did this, I died. Four of 6, we're making pretty good time this time, not gonna lie. 5 of 6. It's probably over here. Huh, it's not. I might die again because the game doesn't want to let me know where the things are. Oh, there it is, I found it. Okay, let's go. Come on, we got 13 seconds to do this. What you want to do once you have that is press and hold E, and wait until you hear the kids cheering. Yeah, see, there you go. Once you did that, you should get the badge. You're gonna get teleported to a big server. I'm gonna cancel recording just before that happens. As you can see, once we've loaded in the game, we should have Golden Freddy. It should be the last one on the list. It should say character IX. The Withered Golden Freddy. Secret character IX. My game hasn't fully loaded yet. Oh, there we go. This is what you get. Yeah, that was the tutorial for Secret Character 11. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, wasn't difficult. Everybody now.